Sir.
Please introduce yourself.
Sir, my name is Devesh Kumar and I am from Aligarh. I did my 10th, 12th and graduation from Aligarh Muslim University. And my father is a lawyer. He practices in Aligarh. My mother is housewife and I have one sibling, my elder brother.
Tell me your hobbies and interests.
Sir, I like to play cricket. I like to sing songs. Sometimes I also play badminton.
Which song? Classical? Folk?
Sir, light Bollywood songs, light music Bollywood songs.
Tell me two type of classical, traditional classical gharanas that we have in India.
Sir, Gwalior Gharana and Kairana Gharana.
Kairana and Gwalior.
Yes, sir.
And Kathak?
Yes, sir. Kathak is a North Indian classical dance, and it is also listed in the official classical list of.
What are the other three classical form of dance in India?
Sir, Bharatnatyam, Odia, and Odissi, and Kuchipudi. And
anything on the northeast?
Northeast.
Classical dance?
Sir, there is no any dance. Sir, I can't recall. Sir, it is Sankirtana.
Okay, Sankirtana. Who started this Sankirtana concept in India?
Sir, it was Shankaradev.
Shankaradev?
Yes, sir.
Sankirtana means, what do you mean by Sankirtana?
Sir, I don't remember.
You talked about Northeast and you said Sankirtana. Which state in Northeast has the peculiarity of Sankirtana?
Assam.
And?
Manipur.
Manipur. So there is a Manipuri dance?
Yes, sir.
So that's what I was asking. So Manipuri dance is based on whose theme? What do they show in Manipuri dance?
Sir.
So you are talking about Sankirtana, I am not coming to the point.
Sir, it is
what
based.
What is the theme of Manipuri dance?
Sir, Krishna devotism.
Krishna
Yes, sir.
So who was the person who brought Krishna's Sankirtan called Mahamantra Hare Krishna Hare Ram in the society? Who was the person?
Sir.
I will give you a hint, he was from West Bengal.
Sir, Rabindranath Tagore.
Sir. Rabindranath Tagore never sang it. You are the poet.
Sir,
he never did Kirtan.
But sir, I remember that he supported Shankaradev. I remember the name.
Have you heard of ISKCON?
Sir?
ISKCON temples? Have you heard?
Yes, sir. Yes.
What is ISKCON full form?
Sir, I don't remember the full
form. Go and dance with ISKCON many times.
Yes, sir. It is related to Krishna International Shri Krishna movement like this. I don't remember the full.
Okay. So, I think Lord Chaitanya, everybody knows?
Yes, sir. Lord Chaitanya, sir.
So you are talking about Shankardev, you are talking about Rabindranath Tagore.
Sir,
and
what?
You don't know Navdeep, Lord Chaitanya, who has actually brought the Sankirtan concept in the Indian culture.
Sir,
And
okay.
that's how the Manipuri people have Raspila concept of dance in the theme.
Okay, sir. I read it somewhere wrong,
and
sir.
Assam has got the whole concept of same thing.
Okay,
right?
sir. Yes, sir.
So you have a clear knowledge of the concept of philosophy, mythology,
Okay, sir.
current affairs, whatever. अलीगढ़ में क्या है ये ताले क्यों वहाँ पे इतने फेमस हैं?
सर लॉक्स फेमस हैं क्योंकि सर हमेशा से लाइक मतलब आई डोंट रिमेम्बर द रीज़न बिहाइंड इट बट लॉक्स आर फेमस।
क्या है आपके घर का?
सर 202,001।
क्या है ये पिन कोड, कैसे बनता है इंडिया में सब जगह, कैसे कैसे डिस्ट्रीब्यूट होता है?
सर आई डोंट नो।
SHO क्या होता है?
सर ही इज like he's head of the थाना।
अभी बताइए जो आपकी जो म्युनिसिपैलिटी है या आपको कैसे चलती है, क्या ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है, उसके मेंबर्स को क्या बोलते हैं? जो आपकी जो लोकल म्युनिसिपैलिटी।
सर काउंसलर्स पार्षद।
आपने कभी वोट दिया काउंसलर?
नो सर।
ग्राम पंचायत स्ट्रक्चर के बारे में बताइए।
सर ग्राम पंचायत देयर इज थ्री tier structure। One is पंचायत, second is पंचायती समिति, ग्राम पंचायत, पंचायती समिति and then जिला परिषद।
जिला परिषद।
सर।
Very nice. Who is the executive head of the country?
Sir, President.
How many pillars of democracy?
Sir, 3 pillars.
Three pillars of democracy. Have you gone to any mock? Three pillars. What are the pillars?
Legislature, executive, judiciary.
So who is head of executive?
Sir, head of executive is Prime Minister.
Now you're changing your answer. Just now you told president.
Okay, sir.
So, clarity of thoughts.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Who is your role model
Sir, MS Dhoni.
and why?
Sir, he keeps himself calm and cool in every situation, and he is a good leader.
Why you want to join CAPF?
Sir, because I have my passion for uniform forces.
How much money will you get as first pay?
Sir, 56,000.
That's basic.
So I remember only this.
Only that much.
Okay, sir.
What is the maximum post that you can rise in CAPF as a present policy?
Sir, up to I don't remember.
What is the work profile of which is your choice for first posting? First choice of
Sir,
CAPF?
CISF.
CSF. Where will you get posted first? Your wish?
Sir,
Aligarh?
no, sir.
Why not?
Sir, I think posting in the same city is like makes
you
you.
go to Kerala.
I will, sir. I have chosen CISF because of its
You would
all
like to
India
go to
nature.
Kerala first.
Yes, sir. It's all India nature.
You would like to go to Kerala and
Yes, sir.
Kunur, there is a Kunur district in Kerala
Yes, sir.
which has got a lot of riots in English communal problems and all. And airport is also very busy. A lot of work there. So I would like you to go to Kunur. What is your view?
Sir, first of all, sir, I have been restricted to Aligarh for all the education, even for graduation. So I want to explore, sir, more. And secondly, that yes, there may be a problem because of Malayalam, but English is a common language. People know there. Most of the people are known to English, are aware of English.
What is
there.
Sagar Setu project?
Sir, Sagar Setu project, sir, it is joining. Sir, I don't remember.
Where is Coco Island?
Sir, in Indian Ocean, Arabian Sea,
Where?
Arabian Sea.
Indian Ocean, Arabian Sea. What answer karo question?
Sir, Arabian Sea.
Arabian Sea. I thought China is looking after Coco Island in Andaman Nicobar Island. A lot of problem going on there. Coco Island.
Coco Island, sir. Yes, sir.
Where is Dio Garcia?
Dio Gracia, sir. Sir, it
Where
is.
is
Sir, it is related.
Common Group Island.
Sir, sir.
Indian Ocean.
Yes, sir.
Good. Where is Nanda Devi?
Sir, in Uttarakhand.
Height?
Not, I don't remember, sir.
Mount Everest height?
Sir, 8,480.
What?
8480 meter.
What is the feet?
Sir, 1 feet. I don't remember, sir.
What is the conversion factor from meter to feet?
Sir, it's 1 meter equals 3 point something feet.
Tell me answer.
3.24.
And tell me the answer. In feet of Mount Everest?
Sir, I can't calculate right now.
What?
Sir, 8.
Approximate?
Sir, 8 3 is 24. Sir, 24,000 something.
You are a BTech.
Sir,
And maths. 2 plus 2 divided by 2. What is the answer?
sir, 2. 2.
How?
Sir, 4 by 2. 2 plus 2 equals to
Or
4.
who will talk about BODMAS? First will you divide or first will you?
Sir,
Oh, come on यार. ऐसे नहीं होता आंसर.
sir, okay.
थोड़ी सी सोच के बोला करो ना.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Davis.
Sir,
Davis, why is the first choice?
sir, because of its all India nature
That's CRPF too.
and it's and the civilian, somewhat civilian life in CISF.
Then CRPF too. CRPF भी law and order में है, election में है.
Yes, sir. That's why, sir.
Police में है.
Sir. Yes, sir. So that's why, sir, I have to keep. I was confused between CISF and CRPF, but I had to.
Okay, tell me the mandate of CRPF.
So CRPF, sir, maintaining the internal security. Maintenance of internal security. Sir, maintenance of internal security.
बस
Sir.
police है.
Sir, it works as a coordination between different police forces.
IPS है.
Sir, if there is a something that is that we can't bring armed forces, military forces into, because they are working on another field, and when it is not in the hands of state police, so there is something we need to, which is in intermediate of two forces, which can.
CRPF उसी के लिए है।
Yes sir, CRPF is for this purpose, for intermediary between state police and military.
Do you know what Cobra Battalions?
Sir, I know about that, they are related to CRPF.
And what their work? Why they are formed?
Sir, I know.
How Cobras are similar to NSG?
No sir.
No idea.
No sir.
Do you know about NSG?
Sir,
What is the NSG?
sir, the National Security Guards.
That's it.
Yes sir.
मैंने आपसे उनका फुल फॉर्म नहीं पूछा था।
Sir.
NSG के बारे में पूछा था। What are the NSG? Tell me about them.
NSG is for sir anti-terrorism squad. It is an anti-terrorism squad working in the country since after the 2008, after the Blue Star operation. They were operated after Blue Star operation.
What are the Operation Blue Star?
Sir, it was related to the Sikh militancy going on in the country.
Okay, then if NSG was formed against the Operation Blue Star, against the Sikh militancy, then why against Islamic militancy the NSG is not used?
Sir, I don't.
Okay, tell me any 5 terrorist organizations which are operated from India.
Sir, Simi, Indian Mujahideen, and I remember only these two names, sir.
Just doing that.
Sir, I can't recall.
Okay. So who is the DG of SSB?
I don't remember, sir.
Okay, your formal interview is over. We will call you back in some moments.
So, okay.